Hey guys, we're back. So I got close. I got distracted on the way because I found some oluwas, like that little urn that I always collect. Gives me some spiritual value. And it was very tricky to reach it because it was like in the middle of this river and there was a waterfall, so I got blown away with the waterfall and yeah, it was a whole thing, but eventually we managed to get here. And I'm thinking, why cannot call my amigos? Because yes, he can distract for surprise attacks. I mean, I understand, but I want to tag. Which one can actually tag? There's somebody who has some information there. Or just something for me to read. And some medicine, thank you. Hunting locations, it's fine, I'll take that. See, he's walking around there. I wish he would tag people for me. Maybe it's gonna be one of his abilities in the future? I'm not sure. But that would really make him convenient. Now it's just, he's very cute, but he's also honestly slightly irritating with that squeaky wheels. We should oil them for him. Okay, okay. Oh, hello. Nobody will miss you, right? There's more of them there. Shit. Nighttime is good. Nobody's gonna miss you. Oh, they're under attack. Shit. Great. Oh. Oops. There's one more that I have not. Oh, there he is. I'm surprised they don't see the red dots like the laser on their clothes or anything. Or on each other, for that matter. Shit. Okay. Managed. Although from the sounds, there are wolves around or something. Okay. Oh. What's with the red light? Creepy red light. Oh, it's food. They're keeping it warm, I guess. Map. Noise. What else? Gasolina. I hear pigeons. This is what we are looking for. Some goodies. Looting people for pesos. Here is a few more. One was somewhere here, but... Oh no, it's the wrong direction, right? They were here. Yes, this guy that I dropped first in the bushes. Okay. Ooh, something else to collect. Ooh, ammo resupply. Love it. I think we're a bit too close. So let's just find a good location like this. This is safe enough. And boys over there. Okay. Big boom. He didn't even blink. By the way, did you notice what I did? This is amazing. Look at him. Look at him. I changed the looks now. He's even cuter. He's all gray and nice with all the dots with super chunky little paws. I don't know why. But other than that, it's very cool. I love it. And I think it's kind of something that we may have unlocked because we did the Stranger Things stuff, because you see he has all this kind of Soviet stuff. And even his tag, I think, is in, yes, SSSR. So, you know, cute. And he has the scar, like, he's a veteran, like, boom, boom. What? We have not destroyed it? Or are there two? We have not destroyed it. That's very unexpected. Now we have. I'm so glad we saved that one proximity mine. Proximity explosive. Oh shit, choppers are coming. People are coming. What is this? There. Noise. Oh, what? Is it invincible or what? I just gave my location away. Come on, enough is enough. I'm even surprised that it took so many of my grenades, I guess. Oh, yeah, I don't have much more ammo. He's so cute. Oh, somebody's coming in. But we did this, so maybe let's get this Libertad crate. It is almost on the way to the seaside supply snatch. Kinda is. Let's do that. It will open up the map and the territory. Oh, we're actually in a different territory. In Noventarmas. But I think that's fine. Why is this tagged for me? Thank you, but I don't want to do this. How does it pick it up so fast? I actually don't know what we're gonna do next. I'm just gonna tag this for now. Or level-wise, it makes sense to do Hype Bomb, the bicho. We're gonna make Radio Libertad happen. Step 1, vandalism. Ooh, spray paint our logo over Maria Marquez's propaganda. You remember? That's something that I wanted to do, so maybe I did have some recollection of this. That's amazing. We totally want to do Bicho's mission. I don't know, we lost him. I tried. We're going that way. Should we be on top or not? No. What are you shooting at? Okay. The guy got away. That's a good guy, right? Yes. And they're in trouble. That's fine. Oh, he did that? He summoned the boom boom? I'm just gonna run. They don't know where I am, right? Are you kidding me? How's the storm? Where is it? Inside there. How am I supposed to do that? Let's try to grapple. Maybe I can swing? No, actually I can land here, but I don't know what's the point. No, it just says go up. This is insane. So I might just die, just saying. I might just gonna try to skydive there or parachute. Parachute would do it, right? Yep. Sort of nailed it, but also cannot get in there. Excuse me. Oh, I was supposed to make it go boom first. Can I shoot? Oh, that was enough.
Let's go, Chorizo.
That's good. We got marksman pants. I don't know what they give us, but that was fun. I like getting new stuff. And this is honestly just too long of a walk through these cliffs and mountains. So I'm just gonna fast travel here. I'm not gonna open the map, unfortunately. Maybe I'm gonna even airdrop. And we're gonna do a very quick, hopefully, supply drop interception. Wait, wingsuit. And we're always in the wrong direction. Yes. If we were pointed in the right direction, this would have been so much faster. Into the palm trees. It's not too bad. It's 100 meters away. Just uphill. And the doggy is with us? Yes, he is. Oh, okay. I think it's faster just to climb up instead of keep on jumping everywhere. Oh, Lua. Oh no, it was so close. Where is it? Very close. I can hear it. Thank you.
The usual reason.
Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness. Must be somewhere there. Let's do it.
Swamp supply drop incoming.
Swamp!
That should make your companies posted out there happy.
Eso sí. Thanks, Command. We're en route.
I'm sure those soldiers.
Where is it? Oh, so far away. If I land on the road, it's possible to go this way. But if I... No, I don't think I can. Would be so good to land somewhere here, then it would be just easy. But anyway...
don't need those supplies as bad as I do.
Thinking, what if I land on this... Maria Marquesas Productions, or how was it called? There must be a vehicle here, right? Hop. Whoops, clumsy. Yes, there's a vehicle called Thingy. Me likey. And the guy has information, but I'm not gonna wait for him. Call vehicle. What are we taking? Big ass thing, small. Ooh, sorry, that's fast, and it can go off-road well. Dune buggy, which makes some skill to drive on land, but soars effortlessly in the air. What? Are they kidding? Fly the friendly skies? It cannot fly, can it? Maybe they mean when you go, you know, off the cliff. That's what they mean. Let's try and find out. Oh no, it does not. Okay. Oh shit, it's fast. I'm already stuck. Okay, okay. I have to make a turn. It is fast. If I don't fly off a cliff, will be good. Oh my god, it is really fast. We have 3 minutes and we're super far away. We should just avoid enemy checkpoints. That would be great. He's not gonna catch up with me anyway, even if he spots me. My buggy is super speedy. Coyote. Oh shit, to the right. Aeroporto. Puerto. Would be good to know where we're going. Let me just quickly open the map. Oh, that's the one where we will have to make a turn left, but that's okay. Still have 3 minutes, and we're almost there. I mean, we're almost at the turn, that's what I meant. Oops. Yeah, I would run if I was that guy too, but I would just run into the bushes or hide behind a tree with such crazy drivers on the road. Jesus, is this checkpoint? Yeah, can we? Okay. Ooh, I see it, I see it. Why there's so many flags? Oh no, is this an outpost or a checkpoint? Neither. I don't know what it is. Just a FMD base. Military zone.
There's my ride!
Shit, shit. One more, one more. No! He's gonna make a boom from the air. Dispatched. Okay. And there's somebody else. Where do you think you're going?
Get them, Chorizo! Chorizo, come back!
Never mind. Whew, we made it. I didn't check the time at some point. I stopped even paying attention to it. When we were so close, I was just focused on the driving.
This is a major haul. Clara better be proud of me.
Noise. There's an Olua somewhere. In there. How? And there's a person in there. Oh, okay, never mind.
Thank you for this bendición.
Ooh, he even ranked up to 11.
Nice wheels, Perito. Look at him go.
Yeah, thanks. Whew, that was a success. I'm so proud of us. We still have one ambush. Macaw. Sounds like something a crow would say. Oh, Noventarmas is really large territory. But we know very little. We just know about 2 ambushes here. And I'm pretty sure there's more to do here. There's probably even more checkpoints. I'm pretty sure this is going to be not a checkpoint, but an outpost. And there should be a checkpoint, right? Because every time main road crosses into different territories, there's always a checkpoint, at least on one or the other side. So there's still plenty of things to do, but now it's kind of nice that we opened it up. And yeah, we're gonna do the mission of Bicho. Track this one. And this will be fun. It's a bit of vandalism, right? So I'll see you guys there.